I'm Sean with Seedburo Equipment Company, and today I want to explain to you how to perform foreign material dockage testing on wheat with the 9000 AG computer grain grading scale. So you will need a 9000 AG computer grain grading scale. You will also need a .064 by 3/8 oblong sieve. This part number for this sieve is F-P. You will need an E-bottom catch pan too as well, and 2 of the triangular sample pans. So first thing you can do is take your sieve and place it in your E-bottom catch pan, and then take your empty triangular sample pan and put that on top of your scale. So this pan does have weight, so you want to tear out that weight. So you're going to hit the 0 button, and that's going to tear out the weight of your pan. So then take your wheat and add it to the pan on your scale, and you're going to want to hit memory to store the weight of this sample on your scale. So once you've performed that, then take this sample, which typically these samples are about 250 grams that we're working with, and you're going to put it in your .064 by 3/8 sieve, and then take your empty triangular sample pan and bring that back to your scale. You're going to want to shake this sample 30 strokes from left to right to get the foreign material to separate from the wheat to the bottom of the pan. So once you've performed your 30 strokes, you take the foreign material that collected from the bottom E-pan and you place that back into your platter on your 9000 AG. And right now it's in grams, and it's showing you the gram size sample of the foreign material. But if you hit the percentage button, it will switch immediately over to the percent of the actual foreign material for that entire sample that you stored on the scale. So if you have any questions about this process, or if you have any needs for this equipment, please give us a call at Seedburo at 312-738-3700, or you can always reach us at seedburo.com.